Hi students, now solve fourth derivative of y plus 2 into third derivative of y minus 2 into first derivative of y minus y equal to 24 e to the power of x. Solution. Given that fourth derivative of y plus 2y triple dash minus 2y dash minus y equal to 24 e to the power of x. Here we can observe q of x is equal to 24 e to the power of x, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, given equation is non-homogeneous. So therefore, solution of given equation is y equal to yc plus yp. Now operator form of the given differential equation: d power 4y by dx to the power of 4 plus 2 into d cube y by dx cube, y cube means d cube, minus 2y dash means 2 into dy by dx minus y equal to 24 e to the power of x. Already we know that d by dx equal to capital D square by dx square equal to capital D square, d cube by dx cube equal to capital D cube, and d power 4 by dx to the power of 4 equal to capital D power 4. Now these d values are substitute in this differential equation of the operator form. Now we get d power 4 plus 2 into d cube minus 2 into d minus 1 of y equal to 24 e to the power of x. Now its auxiliary equation is, now we can say this equation number 1. Equation is m to the power of 4 plus 2m cube minus 2m minus 1 equal to 0. When we say given auxiliary equation of the given equation, if capital D equal, we can write capital M and remove the y, and the right hand side is equal, we can write the 0. Then we can say this equation is called a auxiliary equation of the given differential equation. Now sum of the coefficients is equal to how much? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, sum of coefficients is 0. Therefore, m equal to 1 is one of the root of auxiliary equation. One of the root of auxiliary equation. Therefore, we can write m equal to 1. Now find the remaining roots. Already we know that procedure of that this method. Already we know that procedure of this method in lower classes. M is equal to 1. What is the coefficients of m power 4? 1. What is the coefficient of m cube? 2. Here does not having m square, but we can write here 0. What is the coefficient of m square? Is 0. What is the coefficient of m? Minus 2. Constant is minus 1. We can write every problem. We can write here 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1, 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. Here must we can write 0. Now reduce the 1 degree of auxiliary equation. M cube 3m square 3m plus 1 equal to 0. M cube plus 3m square plus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Listen to it. Sum of the coefficients of even power. Even power is coefficient of even power is 3. Coefficient of even power is m power 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to how much? 4. And sum of the odd power of the m. M cube of coefficient of m cube is 1. Coefficient of m is 3. Both are same. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3. Here 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3. Here therefore m equal to minus 1 is another root. Therefore now we can find the remaining roots. M is equal to minus 1. Now again coefficient of m cube is 1, coefficient of m square is 3, coefficient of m is 3, constant value is 0. We can write every problem here 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 into minus 1 means minus 1, 3 minus 1 means 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Here one more method we have. Here we can write m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. In this root term we can common m plus 1. Here plus 1 is common, m plus 1 equal to 0. Here also m plus 1 is common. M plus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Here m equal to minus 1 minus 1. Therefore roots of auxiliary equation is m equal to here minus 1, here minus 1, here minus 1 and starting is 1. Total m roots of the auxiliary equations are minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Therefore yc, here how many roots are same? 3 roots are same. That's why we can write c1 plus c2x plus c2x square e to the power of minus x. c1 plus c2x plus c3x square into e to the power of this minus 1 x plus c4 e to the power of x. Now finding fyp, particular integral 1 by f of d into 24 e to the power of x. 24 e to the power of x. Here 1 by here a equal to 1, that equal to we can write apply 1 by f of 1, or we can write d. What is the d value? D power 4. Here we can write here yp equal to 1 by d power 4 plus 2d cube minus 2d minus 1, 24 e to the power of x. Here if d equal to 1, then f of 1 is not equal to 0. Here 1 by, for example, 1 power 4 plus 2 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 1, 24 e to the power of x. Here 1 by 0, 24 e to the power of x, but f of 1 equal to 0. Therefore yp equal to 1 by f dash of d into x, 24 e to the power of x, that is equal to x by f dash d means derivative of d power 4 means 4d cube, derivative of d cube means plus 6d square, derivative of 2d means 2, derivative of constant is 0, 24 e to the power of x. Now we can apply d equal to this one, x 24 e to the power of x divided by 4 plus 6 minus 2, that is equal to x 24 e to the power of x by 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 1s are 8 3s are. Therefore yp equal to 3x e to the power of x. Therefore general solution of given equation is y equal to how much? Yc plus yp, or we can write, sometimes some textbooks are writing yc is equal to cf, complementary function or particular integral. Therefore y equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power of minus x plus c4 e to the power of x plus 3x e to the power of x. This is the general solution of the given equation. Thank you, students.